girl Faith L93. Thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram handle right here, so yeah, y'all can follow me and keep up. I'm going to try to start posting more on my Instagram. Also, I'll put my hair Instagram page because I do hair, okay, like y'all see I did my hair, but I am now a full-time hairstylist, so follow my hair page as well. I'll leave that listed down below and in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so we are first starting off with this half up, half down braid pattern, and shout out to my mama once again for doing this braid pattern for me. And this is the hair that I'm going to be using. This is the Sensational Senegal twist in the 12-inch, and I am using the color number 1. So this is just some pre-looped like Senegalese twist hair, Senegal twist hair. Really any type of, well, I wouldn't say any type of twist hair, but kind of like the poofy, more natural looking twist hair. You could use that, because all we're gonna do is just unravel this hair, you guys. So yeah, I did kind of speed up the process because y'all know how to put in crochet braids. All you're doing is just looping the hair in and filling in those gaps and those spots that you see that are open. I did go back and fill in some more because I do have some spaces missing. But yeah, as you can see, it's all filled in. And now we're about to get to the front of my hair. So I am making a part down the middle just so that I can have that symmetry. I'm using the Ebin lock-in pomade, and this is for braids and twists. And y'all, I use this stuff on my clients. I use it on me. This stuff is bomb.com. I used it in my last video that I did with my half up, half down. I really love this stuff. It helps me to get my parts so crisp and so clean. Okay. Alright, so we're using that pomade or gel, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to be doing basically four braids on each side. I'm going to do 2 coming to the front of my hair, and I'm just taking that crochet hair and I'm going to feed it in. I'm going to do like a feed in braid coming to the front, and y'all will see once I start actually doing it. I did split the hair into like 2 pieces, so I think I used 2 actual pieces of the crochet hair, split it in 2, so it became 4. And yeah, that's how I braided it in. So y'all can just continue to watch. Alright, so now on this part, I'm actually going to be doing like a crisscross rubber band design. And so this section I'm actually going to split into 2, and we're going to make 3, basically 3 squares on each side, and we're going to do the crisscross braid design. And before you put any rubber bands in your hair or anything, make sure that you dip your rubber bands in some oil. This is going to help to protect your hair. It's going to keep it from breaking off. So yes, always dip your rubber bands in some oil. So I put all my rubber bands on, and now I am going to be going through with that pomade or gel and putting that on my hair just to slick it down and smooth it out so that my crisscross part is not like poofy or anything, because my hair is natural and we don't want it looking poofy. We want it sleek and laid down and smooth looking. So I did use that pomade / gel. So I would definitely suggest it if you're trying to do the crisscross method. Alright, so now you might be wondering, like, sis, how are we going to make this braid right here? So basically, I'm going to crochet the pre-looped hair through one of the parts of the rubber bands, and we're going to make a braid from it. I just looped it through, and then I divided my hair within the pre-looped hair into 3 pieces, and we're going to try to like add in hair as we braid down, so kind of like a feed-in braid, just to make it longer and match up with the other braid that I've already done. Okay, so I literally did the same thing for the other part of my hair that was left out as far as making the braid. And now we're moving on to the top part of my hair. So I am making a smaller braid, one of those little skinny in between like braids, and that is going to connect to a bigger braid at the very top. So as y'all can see, I got my skinny braid, and now I'm about to make my big braid. So I'm basically just repeating this same pattern on the other side, and I sped it up, and so now I'm at the big braid part on the other side. Literally did the same exact thing. That's why I split it in half up at the top, just so that I could have that perfect symmetry. Guys, so initially I wanted to just put beads on the 2 braids that are coming to the front, but as you can see from the beginning of my video, I ended up putting beads on all of them because I did not like the way that the other braids were looking, just with the hair being left out like that. I didn't like that look, so I was like, why not put beads on all of the braids? So that's what I did. Alright, so now we are getting to the part where we are about to pull apart these twists, and y'all, all I'm doing is basically sitting here and pulling them apart. And once I finish pulling all of them apart, I'm going to pull them apart even more, so separate what I've already separated into 2, so some pieces will be separated into 4, and we're just going to continue separating until I get that fluffy look, like how a twist out would look. So right now you can see that it's looking a little bit fuller, and that's because I'm just going throughout my hair and separating. I know y'all just saw that twist that I missed. I think I did go back and find it and undo the twist. But yeah, we're just going to keep on fluffing and separating until I get it as big as I want it. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. So I finished putting the beads on all of them, and y'all, it's the fluffiness for me. Like, this looks like a real legit twist out. It looks like it could be my hair. I am so loving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.